Welcome online lecture series in wireless mobile communications. Today our topic is diversity. Uh, Diversity usually implied to reduce the depth and duration of your multi-channel feeding, which is experiences by your receiver. So in the form of flat fading effects. So the channel is having a flat fading because when the our coherence like this way, this is the coherence bandwidth, this much bandwidth of the coherence, and here the channel bandwidth. So coherence, when the channel bandwidth signal bandwidth, yeah, modulated channel bandwidth is modulated signal is bandwidth is more than as compared to the channel bandwidth. So the channel is not passes the bandwidth. The passband filter is not allowed to pass this signals. Now you can see, if we draw like this way, or we are putting this two vertical line, taking the horizontal, this is time t, this is time t, here is a amplitude, here is the amplitude, this is the coherence bandwidth which is flat in nature, और इसके कर्व को यहाँ गिराएं और इसको यहाँ दिखाएं, तो this is the signal of the coherence bandwidth of the channel. So the channel is behave like this way. But if the modulated signals या transmitted symbols या transmitted impulse response bandwidth is more than as compared to the this coherence channel bandwidth. So the pass band filter of the channel is does not allow to pass this signal through the channel. So under this condition होगा क्या कि it is reduced by the both the ends. So it this channel is become like a narrow band channel. Pass band channel is behave like a narrow band channel. So why? Because your signals is passed through this channel. None of part is attenuate, यानी ये जो सेक्शन पास होगा इतना सेक्शन ये पीछे रह जाएगा, तो ये एटोनेट हो जाएगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड द डिस्टॉर्शन. और जब ये पास हो जाएगा, अगर ये पास होता है, तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ हम अगर देखें तो हमारी ये एक थ्रेशोल्ड वैल्यू है, इसके ऊपर जो चैनल, इसके नीचे जो आते हैं चैनल्स, तो जितने ये चैनल्स इस थ्रेशोल्ड के नीचे आ रहे हैं, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिस्टॉर्शन, और दे आर कॉल्ड द फैडिंग. दिस इज द फैडिंग. सो फैडिंग इज ड्यू टू व्हाट? नैरो बैंड चैनल. चैनल इस ये हमारा जो चैनल है, इससे पास होने के लिए हमारे जो मॉड्यूलेटेड सिग्नल का जो बैंडविड्थ है, इसमें लाने के लिए इस चैनल को हमको कम करना पड़ेगा ताकि ये सिग्नल पास हो सके. अब इस सिग्नल को पास करने के लिए इसकी बैंडविड्थ को हमको कम करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड द फ्लैट फेडिंग सिनारियो, when the bandwidth of the transmit signal is much greater than bandwidth of the channel. So अब अंडर दिस सर्कमस्टांसेस, या तो हम अपने चैनल की बैंडविड्थ को कम कर दें तो वी लॉस द इंफॉर्मेशन, या विदाउट विदाउट इंक्रीजिंग द ट्रांसमिट पावर और बैंडविड्थ। तो या तो जबरदस्ती भेजा जाए कि उसकी ट्रांसमीटर की पावर को हम बढ़ा दें और इस ट्रांसमिट सिग्नल्स को जबरदस्ती वहां पहुंचाएं। तो इससे भी कोई फायदा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि जितनी पावर आप सेंड करेंगे, ट्रांसमिट पावर जितनी ज्यादा होगी उतना ही एरिया कम होगा। सो द एरिया इज decreases when you are increases the power। तो भी आपके प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन नहीं होगा। तो देन वी कैन इम्प्लॉय दी एट बोथ बेस स्टेशन एंड मोबाइल स्टेशन। दिस इज द बेस स्टेशन यानी टावर है, और ये मोबाइल स्टेशन है, ये मेरा एमएस, ये मेरा बीएस। तो हमको ना केवल बेस स्टेशन पे एक चेंज लाना होगा, बल्कि मोबाइल स्टेशन पे भी चेंज लाना होगा। ये चेंज कुछ इस तरीके से अगर हम दिखाएं, दिस इज द फंडामेंटल ब्लॉक, दिस इज आवर बेस स्टेशन act as a transmitter, this is the mobile station which is act as a receiver। So these two sections are shown। So here we put some devices, that is the transmitter at the transmitter end, put the receiver at the receiver end। This is the ये है RF एन रिसीवर, ये है TN ट्रांसमीटर। तो इससे क्या होगा कि we are increasing the diversity of the communicating transmitter and receiver section। So before we are going in a deep, you can see uh, how this is behave, because we know started the people have a great deal of diversity। So what we are trying to say, क्या कहना चाहूंगा मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि even though इस टर्म को आप समझ रहे हैं कि डाइवर्सिटी क्या है, इवन दो अवर बेसिक बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर is the same। जितने भी यहाँ पे ह्यूमन बींग्स होंगे, सबके बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर तो सेम होगा, अपना कान, सिर, पैर। और ये जैसे कि मैं कहूँ उनके हेड, सबके पास सिर होगा, आईज, एवरीबॉडी इज हैविंग द आईज, ईयर, सुनने के लिए कान होंगे, धड़कने के लिए हार्ट होगा, भुजाएं होंगी, आर्म्स, लेग्स, ये सबके पास होगा, पेट, etc. सो अगर कहें कि आवर फिजिकल characteristics characteristics are different for a moment, या for instance our skin color, size of the height, size of the body, the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. These are the different. Are the different. अगर देखें तो in other terms our height is also, somebody is taller, somebody is smaller, somebody is average, somebody is mm, size, extra size. Shape is also shape. Provide, this is the nothing but our height, shape provide the some diversity too. So even अगर हम बात करें, even our fingerprints, fingerprints are unique and different. So in a broad view, diversity means the differences between thing or people. So the wireless channel exhibits frequency selective fading and high data rates. Rate transmission. When the signal band bandwidth is larger than the channel coherence coherence bandwidth. To tackle this, या to combat the effect of fading, effect of multi-path fading, path fading, diversity techniques are used. So diversity techniques improve the transmission so di diversity improve transmission performance. Mission performance by making use of more than one one independent independently faded faded version of the transmitted impulse signals symbols transmitted signals in, yeah, you can say impulse, you can say pulse, yeah, symbols, signals with the comparable comparable will signal strength. So when we take the instantaneous SNR, whenever we took the instantaneous instantaneous SNR is low during the serve fading period period producing producing more more transmission errors, the diversities improves improve the transmission accuracy considerably. So 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 the diversity technique is widely used to improve your wireless performance and also uh, boost up your received signal quality. So in wireless system, the most effective methods of counterfacing the effect of the channel fading is to use diversity scheme in the transmission and reception of the signal. So in wireless system, the most effective method of counter facing the effects of the channel fading use is used to use diversity schemes in the transmission and reception of the signal. Thank you very much. In an introduction of the diversity,